Welcome to Tech Travelers Hub. I am going to show you Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. This is the side buttons, power and volume button. This is the downside of the phone, charging port, USB-C port, and SIM card tray. This is the top of the phone. This is the back side of the phone, the camera setup, 3 camera setup. Okay. Curved display. Okay. Announced September 2023. Dimension 6.35 into 2.92 into 0.35 inch. Weight 199 gram. Front glass Gorilla Glass Victus glass back or silicone polymer back, eco leather. Nano SIM, eSIM or dual SIM supported. Display type AMOLED display, 68 billion color, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus, 1800 nits. 6.67 inches display, 89.7% screen to body ratio. Resolution 1220 into 2712 pixels, 446 ppi density. Always on display. Android 13 OS, chipset MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Ultra 4 nanometer. IP68 dust or water resistant up to 1.5 meter. I'm trying to take some picture here. Normal board picture, then 200 megapixel pics taken. See here 200 megapixel photo. Okay, keyboard is full of dust. Okay, this is normal mode picture. Okay, main camera, triple camera setup, 200 megapixel wide angle, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro camera. Let's test the selfie cam. Okay, the selfie camera is 16 megapixel. The phone have 5000 milliampere non-renewable battery, 120 watt wire charging. It takes only 20 minutes to fully charge the phone. Picture are quite decent in low light. I will give a full review after using it. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.